Mutual promises in a contract are generally considered dependent, meaning that performance by one party is conditioned on performance by the other party, unless there are clear contrary indications. New Mexico's highest court considered whether mutual promises to loan money and provide a mortgage deed were dependent or independent of each other in the 1941 case of Price versus Van Lint. C.S. Price wanted to buy a piece of land and construct a building on the land to house his new business. To that end, Price agreed to a financing plan with V.J. Van Lint in late December of 1939. Van Lint promised to loan Price $1,500 on the first day of February in exchange for a mortgage deed granting Van Lint a security interest in the land. Van Lint also advanced Price $134, repayable from the loan, so that Price could buy the land. Both parties were aware that Price would have to communicate by ship with the landowner, who was located in Amsterdam. Thus, it would necessarily take a long time for Price to obtain the mortgage deed. Price was anxious to start construction, so Van Lint contacted various material dealers, told them about the upcoming loan, and convinced them to furnish lumber and other materials to Price. When February first arrived, Price was unable to provide the mortgage deed. Consequently, Van Lint refused to loan Price the $1,500, resulting in delays to both construction and the opening of his new business. Price sued Van Lint for breach of contract in New Mexico State Court. The trial court entered judgment for Price, finding that the promises to loan the money and provide the mortgage deed were independent. Van Lint appealed to the New Mexico Supreme Court.